The 2013 Subaru Impreza WRX. Subaru made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Subaru are offered, including a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.